In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Microsoft Edge syncing with your Google Chrome. If you've noticed that Microsoft Edge keeps pulling in your bookmarks, history, or other browser data from Chrome every time you open it. That's because Edge can automatically import data on each launch. Turning this off will keep your Edge experience separate and stop that ongoing cross. Browser syncing behavior. Start by opening Microsoft Edge. Look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu, sometimes labeled Settings and More. This is where all of Edge's main controls live, including the preferences we need to change. From the menu that opens, choose Settings. That will take you to a new page with a sidebar on the left. In the left sidebar, select Profiles. Profiles manage your personal data and Edge things like favorites, passwords, and browsing history. If you use more than one Edge profile, make sure you are adjusting the one you actually browse with. Inside Profiles, click on Import Browser Data. This is the section that controls both one-time imports and the automatic import feature that can run each time Edge launches. On the Import Browser Data page, look for the area that says Import Browser Data from Google Chrome on each launch. This is the setting that makes Edge feel like it's constantly syncing with Chrome. Click Edit Preferences next to it. You'll see options related to what gets brought over. But the important action here is to turn this feature off entirely. Switch it off, and Edge will stop grabbing new data from Chrome every time you start the browser. A quick note, this doesn't uninstall Chrome, touch your Chrome data, or remove anything you've already imported into Edge. It simply stops the ongoing automatic import process. If you ever want to do a one-time import in the future, you can still come back to this same Import Browser Data area and choose what to bring over manually. Also, if your Edge interface looks slightly different due to updates, the terminology should be similar. You can always use the search box at the top of the settings page and type import to jump straight to this section. After switching the feature off, it's a good idea to close and reopen Edge to confirm the change has taken effect. When you relaunch, your Edge data should remain as is, without pulling anything new from Chrome. And that's it. You've successfully disabled Microsoft Edge from syncing like importing with your Google Chrome on each launch. If this walkthrough helped, feel free to share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching.